Yo. First order came in right away. Got a Starbucks, $7 and some change, going 3.5 miles. Thank you. It says, I have a better cash tip. Thank you so much. Smiley face. Be safe out there. But it's a leave at doors, so we'll see if that's true. You tell me where that cash tip was supposed to be, because I didn't see anything, that's for sure. Next up, we've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. $10 going 6 miles, 2 items. What is this? Starbucks, $9 and some change, going 6 miles. Yeah, let's do it. Yes. Thank you.
Have a good day. Thank
you too. Up we go. We've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. $15 going 6 miles, 7 items. Yeah, I'm looking for diced pancetta.
Next case over.
Oh, there we go. Thank you.
You're welcome.
And then it's asking me for a pin. Do you know what that would be?
The donuts?
They should have been in the bag.
Okay, thank you.
Yep. I got this order as I was pulling in here. It's gonna be for Black Rock Coffee. $9 going 3 miles.
And got a Strappy as well.
Thank you.
Of course. Have a great day.
You too. Hello. Next up, we've got a stack going to 2 different people. We've got McDonald's and Seize the Bagel. I believe the total is gonna be $19 going 6 miles.
All right, there is for Ashley.
Thank you. Definitely slid right through that. Oh yeah, this is fun. Oh, okay, this is really good. Didn't fall though. All right, there you are.
Excellent.
Yep.
Thank you.
Have a good day. We've got a stack, looks like going to 2 different people. We've got GoPuff and Victor Rico's, $25 going 12 miles. that was annoying. I just wasted like 10 minutes trying to deliver that order. It was a hand to customer, so I was supposed to meet them. And now I feel bad because this Victoricos has been waiting out for quite some time. It's probably getting cold. It did say that I have to return that first failed order, and I will be getting paid for it, so I have no idea how much, but I guess we're doing that next.
Hello there.
There you are.
Perfect. Thank you.
Have a good day.
Yeah, you too.
Thank you. I'm not sure why the customer is even allowed to contact me. They're just now giving me the door code and asking if it was left by the door outside. Like, no, it wasn't. Totally forgot to film the outro again. But, yeah, I'm very much over today. Lots of, annoyances, let's put it that way. Current time is 10:32. Current total is 93, and I think I have one Uber tip yet to come in, so probably close to 100. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.